Portman Rotary Cutter set with blades, 45mm rotary cutter with safety lock, 5 extra SKS7 steel rotary fabric cutter blades, fabric cutter wheel for sewing, fabric rotary cutter blades 45mm. Rotary fabric cutter set. The Portman Rotary Cutter for fabric set includes an ergonomic rolling fabric cutter and 5 replacement blades. Great for any project, our fabric cutters are the perfect addition to your quilting and sewing rotary cutter supplies. Sharp and durable. With the rotary cutter's sharp, SKS7 steel fabric cutter blades, cutting through materials is always a breeze. This material cutter wheel is perfect for quilting, sewing, and can even be used as a shirt cutter tool. Worklean 45mm rotary cutter for fabric safety lock with ergonomic classic comfortable handle suitable for crafting sewing quilting crafts includes extra 5 PCS 45mm replacement blade. Ideal classic loop 45mm rotary cutter, ring-shaped handle design has strong control force and is ergonomic, which can reduce arm fatigue for long-term operation. Roller cutter for fabric can help cut thick materials, including cotton, foam and multi-layer fabrics, vinyl paper, etc. High-quality blade. The circular cutter for fabric uses Japanese steel, which is sharp and durable, not easy to bend and break. The surface has a steel-stamped value mark, which can be roughly measured without a ruler when sewing or cutting fabrics. It is very convenient.